you guys how to use Rumble and pretty much everything about the application. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. Once you first open the application, you may need to sign in, or if you don't have an account, you're gonna need to create an account. So once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. Once you have signed in or created an account, you'll be able to browse as similar to YouTube. So here you'll be able to scroll. As you can see here, a lot of videos on this application here as well. Pretty much like YouTube. At the top, you'll be able to search for what you want and so forth. You got the drift. So if you're gonna watch videos in this application here, you'll be able to just tap on the videos that you want to watch. Maybe a bit different from YouTube.
Tonight, I am also proud to announce that,
as you can see here, this is pretty much how the layout looks for this application here, and pretty much how you watch videos and this application here. Very, very simple. Section pretty much will see videos of creators that you have followed on this application, and to pretty much do that, you pretty much have to tap on the my feed section here. Then you can go at the top where it says follow new channel and be able to follow or find creators that you might like to give them a follow. So let's say, for example, this guy here, I'm gonna give him a follow, and pretty much every one of his videos, if he got new videos, will pretty much be showing in my feed section. So very, very simple understanding. As well as you can see here, if they have any updates as it relates to status on their channel. So if I do tap on this, I'll be able to see new posts that they have very recently from their channel. As well, you can upload videos. You can tap on the create option here, and if I do tap on that, I'll be able to upload videos from my device, or upload videos as you can see here that everyone does, or I can just go live on the Rumble platform. So those are two options as it relates to this application here. The library section, now this is pretty much where you will see all the videos that you have watched on this application. Here you have the watch history. You can tap on view all to pretty much see all the videos that you have watched. You have the watch later option here as well, which if you're watching a video and let's say you want to continue it later, you can just pretty much add it to your watch later section. So that's pretty much it for that there, and all you have to do is just tap on the three dots of the video and tap on save to watch later, and you can always share it with your friends and family and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this section here. Account section here, you have the Rumble premium subscription, and as you can see, if I do tap on this option here, what we're getting for their subscription and pretty much their prices. As you can see here, let's say $100 for a yearly subscription for the Rumble, free of ads and so forth. So as well, you'll be able to see the videos that you have uploaded on this platform in that section there. As well, the people that you're following can also turn on the notification bell to be notified once they have uploaded any new video at all. But you still will be able to see these new videos, or if there's any new video in your feed section. And as well, the earnings on the video that you have uploaded on the platform will be showed in this section here. And at the top here, you may see a settings icon, as you can see here. Be able to edit your profile information, nothing much, and you have some other settings here. You can also close your account and some other settings here as it relates to the video upload quality and so forth. So nothing much for that. But as you can see here, very, very simple application, which you can always check out if you might be tired of YouTube. You can check out this application here. So if I missed anything at all, you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.